Which property, if any, would you use to show that triangle RST is congruent to triangle DEF with the given information? We're told that angle R is congruent to angle D, segment RT is congruent to segment DF, and segment ST is congruent to segment EF. Let's label the diagram with the given information. We know that angle R is congruent to angle D. We have segment RT congruent to segment DF, and segments ST and EF are congruent. So looking at this, we have two sides and a non-included angle congruent to two sides and a non-included angle. We do not have any congruence property for this situation. This is a side-side angle situation, and we cannot prove congruence with side-side angle. Therefore, these two triangles with the given information cannot be proved congruent.